A conventional oven is a common household appliance used for cooking and baking. It is also known as traditional or standard oven. Conventional ovens used heating elements usually located at the bottom of the oven to produce heat. But nowadays you also find one more heating element at the top. The heat is then circulated by natural convection, which is the movement of hot air rising and cooler air sinking. As a result, the cooking may be slightly uneven and certain areas of the oven may be hotter than others. To overcome this problem, another type of oven was introduced, that is, convection oven. It is pretty much similar to conventional oven but equipped with an additional fan and exhaust system. This fan circulates the hot air inside the oven, creating a more consistent and even heat distribution. The circulating air also speeds up the cooking process, as it helps to transfer heat more efficiently to the food. Also promotes better browning and crisping of the food. Now in modern ovens, you have setting for these both types of ovens where you can use these for baking cakes, cookies, roasting, grilling, broiling, braising of chicken, poultry, meat and vegetables. For more detail on different cooking methods and techniques, you can check this video. A microwave oven, commonly referred to as microwave, is a kitchen appliance that uses electromagnetic waves called microwaves to cook, heat or defrost food. Inside the microwave, there is a part called magnetron that makes the waves. These waves are sent into the cooking area. It works by making the water molecule in the food vibrate very fast, which creates heat and cooks the food from inside. It is known for its rapid cooking times and convenience in the kitchen. In microwave, you should not use any conductive material such as metal. You can use plastic, glass or ceramic plates to cook food as their water content is very low and won't heat up easily by these waves. But keep in mind, the microwave works best for cooking small batches of food. Microwaves are best for heating and reheating food items, but they may not provide the same browning or crisping result as conventional ovens or other cooking methods. So for cooking, I would suggest select other oven as per your requirement and needs. All of the oven we discussed so far uses dry heat for cooking and heating. The next oven uses wet heat, that is steam, and we call steam oven. It has a steam generator or boiler that produces and injects steam into the cooking chamber, creating a moist environment for steam cooking, offering a quick and healthier cooking method that retains all the nutrients and vitamins that may be lost during cooking. These type of ovens are especially useful for steaming vegetables, fish and grains. Next we have combination ovens, also called combi oven or combi steam ovens. These are advanced kitchen appliances that combines the functions of a convection oven and a steam oven in a single unit. They offer the ability to cook with dry heat, steam or a combination of both, providing a wide range of cooking options and versatility. There is one more type of combi or combination oven, which combines the features of convection oven with a microwave oven, that can be called combi microwave oven. OTG ovens. An OTG oven, which stands for oven, toaster and griller. The oven function allows for baking cakes, breads, casseroles. The toaster function is used for toasting bread slices, while the griller function is used for browning and grilling dishes. OTG ovens are generally more compact and affordable than large conventional or convection ovens, making them suitable for individuals or small families looking for versatile cooking options within a limited space. Rotisserie oven. A rotisserie oven is a specialized type of oven designed for cooking food on a rotating spit. A spit is a long sturdy rod called skewer which is used for holding and rotating the food during the cooking process in front of a heating element or heat source. The rotation of spit is done automatically through motorized function inside the oven. It is commonly used for roasting meats, particularly whole chicken, turkey or roasts. Next we have deck oven. A deck oven is a type of commercial baking oven commonly used in bakeries and pizzerias. In the context of a deck oven, the term deck refers to the individual baking surface or shelf inside the oven where the food is placed for baking. A deck oven typically consists of multiple decks, each acting as a separate baking area. The number of decks in a deck oven can vary depending on size and design of the oven. 2 decks means double deck oven, and here in pictures there are 3 decks means triple deck oven, etc. Each deck provides an independent baking space allowing for simultaneous baking of multiple items at different temperature or cooking times. Well guys, that's all for types of oven. I hope you like this video. If you do, hit a like button. For any doubt or suggestion, you can comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe Hospitality Broadcast.